I'm David Boardman. I'm a project engineer at the Virtual Engineering Centre. My focus is mainly on things like computer vision, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So we're at the Smart Factory Expo in Liverpool, and we've brought along a showcase of our computer vision software. So we've got different things like PPE monitoring systems, optical character recognition for reading text through webcams. And we've also got some object detection. For the PPE detection, basically we've got a passive webcam that's watching us. As you can see, when I stand in front of the camera, nothing happens. And then if I put on the helmet, then you should see that it starts to detect that we've got a helmet on. And companies can use this type of technology to know that a worker is using the correct PPE, essentially, and monitor environments that requires those, and they have strict rules and regulations around it. So the overarching theme of it is computer vision. So we actually use convolutional neural networks, where we take a large data set of images. So we take labeled data sets with people wearing helmets, people without helmets, and then we train those models to actually understand what is in the image. So take a data set, train it, and then you'll get an output which we fine-tune to do the detections for the helmet.